Good morning. Silence the noise. The world will always tell you you're not enough until you buy this, achieve that, or look like them. But here's the truth. Your value is not up for debate. It's intrinsic. It's built into you. It doesn't rise when they clap, and it doesn't fall when they criticize. Stop chasing likes. Stop chasing approval. Start embracing what was already in you from day one. The moment you recognize your worth independent of the noise is the moment you step into real freedom.